Chicken biryani, yeah.
Can I try?
Yeah. You want to try?
No, I'm okay. I'll do it. मिसिसागा में ये मल्टी कल्चरल फूड फेस्टिवल हो रहा है। फेस्टिवल पे हम आए हुए हैं और हम यहाँ पे खाएंगे, फन करेंगे, मज़े करेंगे। आइए दिखाते हैं आपको। ये पाकिस्तानी ब्रांड शान का स्टॉल है, शान मसाले। यहाँ बहुत चलते हैं ये इंडिया पाकिस्तान में, और इनके स्टॉल पे हम चल के देखते हैं कि क्या चीज़ें हैं।
We have the chicken lasagna, beef lasagna and vegetarian lasagna.
ये शान के मसाले हैं, चिकन 65, फ्राइड फिश, और ये हलीम और ये बिरयानी। इसके अलावा ये शान के चटनी और अचार वगैरह का भी हुआ है। बिरयानी
Chicken biryani, yeah.
Can I try?
Yeah. We have added this Bombay biryani in it.
Okay. This Bombay biryani masala goes to this biryani, right? Okay. तो इसमें जब ये डालते हैं तो फिर वो मसाले नहीं डालते?
Oh, even better. We can add that biryani also little bit. Along with it, you can also add the sauce also.
Oh, this
Yeah,
is
if
just
you
sauce.
want.
This is just sauce. Okay.
You just only have to put the sauce and rice and chicken and you are done.
Okay. Where is Bombay biryani masala? Which
Yeah,
one?
here it is. Yeah, this one.
Okay. And what is this?
This is sweet one. This is chutney, plum chutney.
Plum
We
chutney.
also have the mango one, but it is sold out. So this is the tomato chutney, and we have the Bombay biryani, which is in it, and we have this papaya paste, for to marinate the chicken, and we have the nihari one to add in the lasagna.
Lasagna.
We have the chicken lasagna, beef lasagna, and vegetarian lasagna.
Okay. These pastes are new items from Shan.
Yeah. This is the onion paste. You don't have to chop it. You just have to use this paste.
Perfect.
And these the frozen items will be soon in the market before September. It's a halal lasagna, beef lasagna, chicken lasagna, and vegetable lasagna.
Perfect.
These are frozen items that will be soon in store. Like
And what do you have on those boxes? Same thing?
yeah, the same thing. But that are demo samples. They are bigger in size. If you get the another one which is being stored, it will be smaller one.
Perfect.
Approximately for 2 or 3 people.
Okay.
You want to try?
No, I'm okay. I'll do it. बात कर रहे हैं अपने मल्टी कल्चरल फूड फेस्टिवल की, और यहाँ पर होने वाले तमाम चीज़ों की आप लोग भी आइए और यहाँ पे फ्री में सब दिखाइए, और लोग दूर दूर से आ रहे हैं और यहाँ बहुत मजे मजे की चीज़ें हैं। आइए मिलते हैं ब्रेक के बाद।
You can get more after. Go. Eat.
I think हम ट्राई कर सकते हैं।
Yeah, you can try a free sample of pasta rice there. I have no as well.
Deep में बता।
Cookies.
Same company? Deep.
Yes. This is called our products from Deep. So biscuits and other snacks as well. You have samosas too. Ma'am, you can have a try to samosas.
ये लो। ये करो।
Oh, this is good. You're like right.
इसमें रख दो।
Oh yeah, it's really.
ये ले लो आपके लिए।
So that one.
और ये लेता हूँ। और ये देखना है चल रहा है। Hello.
You want to try some samples?
You want to try this?
The orange,
उठा लो।
chocolate,
Thank you.
strawberry.
This one,
The ones.
These are the wipes, and these are antibacterial wipes. You can try the samples. You can try the samples from here as well. These are different.
We can give you some samples of the sodas and energy drinks.
You can try some samples of wipes.
जबरदस्त आ जाओ आ जाओ पीछे
We have some wipe samples as well, like you can try that.
मैं अंदर रखवाता हूँ
ऐसे